Once your video editing finish in Premiere Pro, it's time to export the video as MP4, right? To do that, go to File and just click on Export and click on Media, or you can press Ctrl+M on your keyboard to open the export window. In here, to export the video as MP4, just click on this format drop down, and here you have to select H.264. So this is the exact format for MP4. Then click on this preset, and now you can go ahead and select a preset. I'm selecting match source high bitrate, and then click on output name, and you can change your export location, and you can change the export file name, and then just click on export, and your specific project will be exported as MP4. And here we can see the video. Let's open this video properties, and as you can see, this video is a MP4 type or format.